What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? I'm back. It's the next day. I actually had to go back to this job. The customer called me up yesterday evening and said that they were worried about the triangles. They were thinking that the color change in the carpet or something like that, and they were going to be permanent like that. So it's a really low pile carpet, nylon, older. It really holds on to the pattern when you do dry strokes, when you make those triangles, and they are kind of hard to remove. So I did go back there today. I tried to reassure them last night that trust me, it's not color change in the carpet or anything. It's just the way the fibers are laying. So I went back there today and took a carpet rake to it and kind of brushed it out, and it did a pretty good job with it. But what I ended up doing is going ahead and just busting out my Namco. It's got the counter rotating brushes, and just walking straight up and down it, and straight like I'm lawn mowing, and really brought those fibers. They were all standing the same direction, no triangles. Okay, so live and learn. So whenever I run across carpets like that, or any carpet, I'm going to make sure that those triangles are not so hard to remove, because some customers don't like it. So anyway, lesson learned, something to keep in mind, and we'll see you in the next one.